Welcome to the Style Arc Studio. Today we'll be learning how to shorten the Sid Bomber Jacket pattern to match the length of an existing zip. Let's get started. Lay your front pattern piece on your table and place your zip right side up on top. Align the very top of the zip teeth with the seam line, which is the dotted line of the neckline. Measure from the seam line of the hem to the bottom of your zip stopper. In this case, the measurement is 5 centimeters or 2 inches. Locate the lengthening shortening line on your pattern piece. Measure 5 centimeters or 2 inches above this line and mark it in 2 places. Rule the new line straight across, following your marks. Cut along the lengthening shortening line. Use a glue stick or tape to move the lengthening shortening line up to the newly drawn line and carefully stick it in place along the line. Repeat the same process with the same measurement for the back pattern piece. Check that the front and back pattern pieces match at the armhole and the hemline. Mark the wrong side of your zip tape in quarters, so that's 3 marks. Mark the right side of your jacket fronts in quarters. Again, that's 3 marks. With right sides facing, place your zip on your jacket front with the edge of the zip tape matching the overlocked edge. Align the quarter marks and pin in place. Repeat with the other side of the zip. Using a zip foot on your sewing machine, sew the zip into place. Repeat for the opposite side of the zip. With the zip tape folded to the inside and the teeth exposed, pin the zip tape in place, ready for top stitching. Change back to a regular presser foot and sew a 6mm or 1/4 inch top stitch up the jacket front. When you reach the collar, with the needle down, turn the corner and sew around the neckline and down the opposite front, finishing at the hem. Congratulations! You've successfully shortened your zip and sewn your zip in perfectly to your Sid Bomber Jacket. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave us a comment. Thank you!